welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. Today is Friday Freebie Special Edition. We're doing our calendar again. It has been, to me this year has flown by. Does it feel that way to you guys? Seems like it's going so fast. We've had a lot of prettiness to go with this year. We really have. It's been a beautiful year in our calendar. We can have beauty in our calendar. We've gone through all of our winter months. We'll go back into them again, but that's the way the year does. So many beautiful paper dolls and so much fun. So much pretty. Just pretty. And on each month we put our sneaky pocket in, which we're going to do today. Just, having loads of fun with our year. We have to find our pretty and our happy place, and in places that we can find it. Even when it's raining, it's still pretty, right? We don't get too much rain here in the desert, but I remember when I was growing up in Georgia, we had plenty of, let me tell you, people would say, oh, I think we're getting a drought. And I'm like, are you kidding me? There's no way. It's too much water already. So just saying. We've gone through so much pretty in this year, as I said. Now we're going on, this is June, we're getting on over there. And we're getting closer to where we're going. I just have to give you a review of all the pretty. Because our year, look, no matter what's going on in the world and stuff, we can still find beauty around us. We can find that happy place, that peaceful place that we can still smile about, right? We can still smile about this because it's awesome and pretty and full of all kinds of just wow. This is where we're going. August, right? August comes after July. So this little girl, they are two of my very favorites. They just look so sweet holding their fishing pole. Have you ever gone fishing? I have. Yeah. It's fun. It's out on the water. It was years ago. It was fun though. Okay, we've got our month of August, which is really long, hazy days of summer. Yeah, and hot. Well, everywhere I've lived, it's been hot in August. I understand it's cooler in other places in August. I may have to go visit those places someday, because dang, it's hot where I live in August. Okay, so we've got look, this is beautiful. To me, it's like, oh wow, And we've got our nice writing place on here. This is going to be our pocket page because, yes. Okay, we've got that. Another writing page. And look at these girls. They're just adorable, right? How sweet is that? She's just holding on to her fishing pole. And this one, it's adorable. I know they've got sweaters on, but I'm trying to pretend it's not quite so hot. They're going out early in the morning to go fishing. He's looking at them like, I don't know. But, no, we're not going to September yet. September, whew, things will start cooling down then. A little bit at the end. Okay, so right here is where we are. And we're going to, I even put a gone fishing sign on there. How cute is that, right? Okay, I know, I can gush a bit, Okay, so we're going to do 3.5 inches to make our pocket. And that way we don't lose anything pretty. 3.5 inches. Oh, that's the top of the thing. We won't lose anything on this one, huh? Okay, there. That's still pretty. I mean, dang, Let me put that over there for a minute. Okay. So we need to go into scoreboard mode so we can do our scoring. Where's my bone folder? Okay. Just making a simple gusseted pocket. And even though we're scoring and folding that, we won't lose anything. It's on the page. We're just going to stack our image. We'll have plenty to line up to. I know I'm working on that, but it's not going to take me but a minute to get this done. Okay, now let's fold it over. Get all their feet tucked in. They're there. We'll just line it up. We won't lose anything. I love the stacked image concept because you don't lose anything. You still have everything there. It's still pretty, and you didn't chop off anybody's anything, you know? Okay. Take that corner out. And I don't know if you noticed or not, but there's a little bitty dog in there looking up at that big dog. Just saying. I know, a lot of times those little bitty dogs, they think they're bigger than the big dogs are. Just the thing. We had a Chihuahua once, and it was just, he thought he was huge. I know he did, because he acted like he thought he was huge. He was pretty resilient. Okay, let's see. Get our tape on here. This is going to be a big, beautiful book. Now, at the end of the year, when the calendar no longer works, you can go through and put something over that, or take it out and use the other pages. They're beautiful as is. Even without the calendar, you've got so much pretty going on till it's all good. They're timeless. You have all the seasons going on, right? Okay, we're going to put this down here and line it up. Line it up with that gone fishing sign, you know. Yeah. Okay. This side I'm going to fold back the other way because it's going to be in the way when I'm putting this down if I don't, you know. So, yeah. Hopefully I'll get it straight-ish. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. It's okay. But the way I bound this one is we've got this coil here, and we have to make allowances for that. We've got half an inch there that cannot be worked with because it's already been used up. So we work around it. That's what we do. We're crafters. We do stuff. Okay. Now I'm going to sit this right there, trying to line up everybody's everything, and the paws for the dog, and gone fishing. Yeah, get this a little bit further over. Okay, like so. All right, I'm going to take this one off so we can tuck that in there before we have problems, right? Okay, I'm going to turn it around this way so I can see what I'm doing. It's a thing, I have to see what I'm doing. Yeah, sometimes you want to put a pocket in a place that's a little bit hinky. That's okay. You can still put it there. Not too bad. It's a little off, but it still says gone fishing, right? It does. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. We'll get this one under there. Okay. Lined up pretty good. Pretty good. I'm not going to gripe about that at all. Pretty good. Okay. It's, I don't know. Can you just feel the cool coming off that stream, you know, on a hot summer day? That would be so nice. I know some people live in not hot summer days in August, but everywhere I've ever been, like I said, it's always been hot. So we've got our big beautiful calendar here. August is a big month. It has lots of days, the full 31. I know she's kind of standing in the way of that one, but you just have to make little notes on that day. Little notes, okay? All of our pretty pages, writing pages. If you need to write something more, you can always write it on that, right? Yep, you got a couple of those, or 4. And so there's plenty of places to write. Just adorableness. Nope, not there. We have another writing page, but not there yet. Not September yet. We'll do that as our next Friday Freebie special edition, right? We'll do that then. Okay. These are freebies. If I hadn't said that before, it's Friday Freebie, right? So on the website, the Ko-Fi, and the Facebook group page, you can get all 4 or 5 pages. How many now? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All the pages anyways for August on the website. Then you can plan your month out. I always do. I use these myself personally. I do. I write every time I make a video or I'm planning a video, I'll write the title of it down here. And then when I get it done and scheduled, uploaded and scheduled, I put a check mark, you know? So, yeah. I use it a lot. Okay. So, yep, website, Ko-Fi, Facebook group page. Go get them. Have fun. They're really pretty. Really pretty. I love this one. Okay. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. TTFN.